The economy will be front and center in the November midterm elections, and right now the news is not good. Some dismal housing numbers came out on Tuesday showing sales of existing homes dropped to their lowest level in 15 years, and that news pushed the Dow below 10,000 points briefly before it bounced back a little. It ended the day down nearly 134 points. Well, Jim Cramer is the host of Mad Money on CNBC. Jim, good morning to you.
Good morning.
Let's look at these numbers. The existing home sales fell by more than 27% last month compared to the month before. Why, Jim?
Well, we had a gigantic tax credit if you bought a home that really amounted to a lot of money. I'll call it interest-free for your first year of buying a house. That ended, so of course people should have bought during that period. It took away demand.
Solutions, and what can the government do? Should they bring back that tax credit?
This is about jobs. Frankly, the whole housing issue is about jobs, and we confuse it. We talk about mortgage rates. We talk about the idea of too much inventory. We get jobs going, you're going to wish you bought a house.
Because that's a long-term solution, as opposed to this kind of tax credit.
It's all one time only. We need to create jobs. You will want to have bought, you'll feel like, how did I miss the bottom when jobs are created?
Yesterday, House Minority Leader John Boehner said that the Obama administration's entire economic team should resign. He said that they lack, quote, real-world, hands-on experience in creating jobs. Your reaction to that?
Well, I think that there's some problems creating jobs, and I don't think President Obama has been imaginative enough. He didn't even come out yesterday. People own homes. It's 63% of people own homes. Where was he?
Are you saying that they should completely resign? What are you saying here?
No, I said I wish that there had been more focus on hands-on by the president. But Tim Geithner, he won the World Series of Finance last year. You don't fire the manager 7 months after he saved the Western world. That's just not smart.
So don't get rid of everybody.
No, Geithner's doing a good job, but we got to create jobs, and that's what this is about.
Meantime, a lot of people are now worried after yesterday that we're heading, a lot more people are worried about a double-dip recession. How are you doing, Mr. Optimism, about that?
Okay, I think if you own companies that pay good dividends that are rising, and you own some gold, I'm not saying you won't feel it. But I've got to tell you, that's so much better than owning a 2.5% 10-year Treasury or a 2% CD. You can't make it back with that.
All right, Jim Cramer, thanks so much this morning. And you can catch Mad Money on CNBC weeknights at 6 and 11 Eastern Time.